Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, a PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamonds. I am Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor in Head, Department of Geology, AKIs, Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, CAM, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. Last 2-3 months I have been various scholarship I've been uploading on the national scholarships, and now slowly we have been started a group in our college established a department, that is scholarship guidance program. Cell will be there, and we have 3-4 professors we have been there who are the seniors, and I'm last 10 years I'm been working as an international scholarship. And during my tenure, 30 students from my college, those students who are the downtrodden family, has got 100% scholarship to study the higher education in Turkey, universities in Turkey. In this, they have done the engineering branch, they have done the BSc, they have done BCom, BBA, BCA with B.Ed, and they got the jobs in Turkey as well as in India. And uh, still some students are doing research, some are doing MS, and one of the important student has gone for, after B mechatronics, he has gone for doing a PhD, integrated PhD program in US. Again, that is also 100% scholarship. Now he is going to submit his thesis shortly now. So this is what we have the achievement as a international coordinator for the Turkey. But now we have been established a scholarship guidance cell in our Pune College Arts Commerce Science with the permission of the or Dr. Aftab Anwar, the principal, and we have been contacted our students, and we have made the initial webinar with the students and interacted the faculty with the students, and how we can motivate the students of our college. And the students are been telling that, sir, we will conduct the series of webinar, and we will talk to the students as well as to the parents, and they will present themselves, and right from the application to the job placement, they will be with their with these students, they will be associated. So we have been already done the webinar with the Turkey. Now similarly we have been done two seminar webinars we have done on Germany. There are 4-5 students, they are there, who is doing MS in engineering. Those who are done the MS, they have been doing the jobs. So they have made a group, and they are going to have shortly, we are going to make the webinars for our college students from 12th standard onward to the uh, PhD. So we have been having the section. So in that we are going to do it the undergraduate, graduate program, then the research program. So in the science, arts, commerce, as well as medicine and the engineering. So these are the, on this particular line, these students are going to help from the application to the till the students can get the jobs in Germany. So that is the in intention. And very uh, important one, the Germany tuition fees are very meager. That is 100-150 euros are there per semester. But only thing is that food and accommodation, only that expenses will be there. If we get any particular scholarship, then it is well and good. Roughly, if you go to the US, minimum 25 onwards, you're going to get 25 lakhs onward. You are going to have to shell out your expenditure for your MS program. And those who are going to the Germany, up to the 10 lakhs, it is more than sufficient, will be there. So as per the cities and universities, they have been made. So as a geologist, today I am going to start the first video on the International Joint MSc Program Scholarship, United Nations University, Germany, for the year 2021. This is especially for the geography, because geology is related to the geography. The geology student also can go for this particular scholarship. So the International Joint MSc program scholarship, United Nations University, Germany is giving the scholarship. So now first we'll see about what is that United Nations University. The United Nations University, UNU, is the academic and research arm of the United Nations, headquartered in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan, with a diplomatic status as an UN institution. Its mission is to help to resolve the global issues related to human development and welfare through the collaborative research and the education. I have taken all this material from Buddy for Study and expected this scholarship is going to launch in the August, so that you can now start planning. Those who are there in the planning now, they can make out the planning for this. You can see the overall universities ranking now. World ranking is 1364. Continental ranking is there along the within the Germany. If you make out, it is 340, and the excellence is 3258. It is expected to launch in August. That is a very important one. We have to see when the scholarship is going to launch and what will be the deadline. I think deadline will be there in the December. Might be in a 15 December something will be there. But still, last year it is a 15 December. But might be this year how much they are going to make out. So now we have to plan in that particular program. So you have to go for IELTS if it is there, or TOEFL is there. So IELTS will be suitable for this particular Germany one, and it should be, your score should be more than 6.5. If it is 7.5, then 8, then it is well and good. So as much as higher, you will get the higher. So you can follow this scholarship for the further updates for the Buddy for Study. So you have to go every time and see whatever the changes announcement which has been done by this United Nations University Germany, and it has been updated by the Buddy for Study scholarship portal. United Nations University Germany invites application for International Joint MSc Program Scholarship 2021 from graduate students of eligible developing countries. So India is one of the developing country. So we are eligible for applying for this particular scholarship. The scholarship aims to support the master level study of meritorious students. Selected student will receive full funding. Remember, very, very important one, full funding for this course program under this scholarship program. Now, eligibility to eligible, and applicant must be ready to fully commit to starting with the joint master program once accepted by the Joint Master Selection Committee, and for funding through EPOS. Belongs to a developing country. To be eligible, an applicant must be taking admission to MSc degree program in geography. Remember, MSc degree program in geography of environmental risk and human security. Have at least 2 years of work experience after the bachelor's and before applying for the EPOS program with an NGO, GO, or the private sector. Wherever he works, that experience, at least 2 years experience has to be there. Have graduated from their bachelor not more than 5 years ago. Yes. So when you're going to apply for this scholarship, and wherever your bachelor degree is there, it should not be complete 5 years. That is a very important one. Have completed no other masters in a similar field of studies. If you done the similar studies in the environmental risk or human management, then it is difficult to apply for this one. So it should be in some other, it is no problem. Focus at a career as a practitioner in a field related program of studies. Now, what are the benefits? The selected scholars will receive full funding for the course program. Document which is required: master's program applicant packet, academic writing sample, EPOS scholarship application packet if applying. And how you have to go apply? You have to go to the portal of Indian Buddy for Study scholarship portal, and there you have to log in, and from there you have to apply for this particular scholarship. Eligible candidate can apply for the scholarship through the steps. How the step is there? You have to go to the Buddy for Study scholarship, make an account, and from there you have to apply online and Similar one, you have to send all the documents via email, master/georisk@ehs.unu.edu. So this is the email ID is there. That will be in our description. I'm going to put it out. So those who are going to have this one, better you can go for the Buddy for Study, can get all the details. So this is the video I'm making to make the awareness among the students. So the first scholarship is there for the geography students. So geology can student can also try, and if they get in that, because it is a related subject is there. The important date is there. The launching expected launch will be there on the 15th, because last year it is the 15th July 2021. It has been 20. It has been launched, but this year also the same thing will be there. So we have been expected that it might be on the 15th August 2000. So tentative it has been given. Selection criteria, selection will be based on the documents submitted by the candidates. Now, very important one, terms and condition. All applications document for the master program must be sent in one PDF that has to be merged, and EPOS scholarship application document in another PDF file merged. If the academic work is exceeding the accepted size, the applicant may submit it as a separate PDF file as well. Each file should not be 8 megabyte. Yes, should be MB, 8 MB should be there. Send completed application packets or exclusively online to master/georisk@ehs.unu.edu. So this is what we have. The email ID master/georisk@ehs.unu.edu. The selection process for this EPOS funding among the shortlisted candidates will happen between February and April every year. So every year they are going to take the selection process between the February and April every year. Candidates that do not fulfill the EPOS requirement but wish to benefit from the financial support during their studies are invited to apply individually. If you are not apply for EPOS, then you have to apply individually and early to other available funding program in Germany. There are other funding program is also there along with this. If you have to apply, if you could not apply for the EPOS, then you have to apply for that also. Now for the contact, you have to contact the address UN campus. So this is what we have, the address and the contact number of this particular university. So those who are now feel they are eligible for this and try for one attempt, they can apply. So those who are done their graduation in geology or geography, they can try in the environment. So this is the environment is the allied branch is there. So geology as well as geography students can apply for this particular scholarships. Thank you. Have a nice day.